Welcome to the last time video of this mini unit. Last video, we learned that we use y media to say half past, son las 8:30, and we also learned we use y cuarto to say quarter past. For example, son las 11:15. Now, we're going to take it a step further, and we're going to learn how to say quarter to. Now, if you're using your logic, okay, quarter after is 15 minutes past the hour. Quarter to is 15 minutes prior to the hour or before the hour. So we're talking about, we're talking about 45, okay? So if it is 7:45, it's quarter to 8, okay? You might not talk like this, but it's a good idea to know what it means. Sorry about that. So, to explain what this visual means, if you want to say 7:45, you're going to say 7 plus 1, so 8 menos cuarto. Son las 8 menos cuarto. It's 8 minus a quarter of an hour. So you can think of it as 8 minus 15 minutes, if that helps you think of it that way. Let's do an example. 6:45. Son las 7 menos cuarto. Think of it backwards, okay? Quarter before 7. Or think of it like math, okay? I like to kind of joke around and say it's kind of like giving someone a math problem instead of telling them time, okay? So it's 7 minus 15 minutes. Now take a minute and let's try 2 examples. I really want you to try these on your own before you look at the answer, okay? Because this is starting to get a little harder to do, but I know you can do it. So take a moment, try these 2 in your notebook. Pause the video and give it a shot. Thank you so much for trying. Let's see how you did with the answer key. 8:45. Son las 9 menos cuarto. Okay, quarter before 9, or 9 minus 15 minutes. 2:45. Son las 3 menos cuarto, or quarter before 3. Or 3 minus quarter of an hour, 15 minutes. If this is really confusing to you, I apologize. Please raise your hand and I'd love to help you out one-on-one. All right, there is one more piece to this, and maybe you've thought of it already. We don't always just say quarter to 9. Sometimes we say 5 before 9. So we can use that menos, like we did for menos cuarto, for any time after 30. Okay, so let me give you an example. 8:40. It's 20 before 8. Son las 9 menos 20. It's 9 minus 20 minutes. Okay, or 20 before 9. So it's could you say son las 8:40? Yes, and you would still make your point. I just want you to know that you can do it this way too. Here's another example. 10:55. So let's just look at this first. It's 5 minutes to 11, okay? Think of it backwards. 5 before 11. Son las 11 menos 5, okay? Or it's 11 minus 5 minutes. Try these 2 in your notebook. Try them first, and then check your answers. Think of it as 10 before 4 and 25 before 2. Let's check your answers. If you haven't paused yet, pause now. Son las 4 menos 10. 10 before 4, or 4 minus 10 minutes. Son las 2 menos 25. 25 before 2, or 2 minus 25 minutes. Now, you'll notice, this is 1 o'clock. Why didn't we use es la? Because we didn't actually say 1. So if this was 12:35, and we're saying 25 before 1, what we would say is es la una menos 25. So you're only going to use es la if you're actually saying una. All right. I know that was a little bit harder. I'm still confident that you guys can do this. There is one more section on your worksheet to work through and an answer key on Schoology. Again, remember, please, to make any corrections, especially on spelling, okay? When I collect these, I should not have to correct your answers. I should see that you've already done that, okay? So, go ahead and do that. Please raise your hand if you need any help, and good luck.